Hey there! If you want to learn how to hang any heavy wall art piece or any super heavy wall hangings, which is up to 100 pounds, or any other oversized art pieces that you want to place on the wall, stay with us.
We always start by setting laser level on a tripod or any flat surface. It helps a lot to save your time and place any wall hangings perfectly. We prepared the architectural angle made from aluminum, 2 by 2 inches on legs and 4 feet long is the best in our case because some of our art piece is about 100 pounds. It will help to seat any heavy art piece or mirror nice and flat against the wall. Now the most important thing is to find the stud in the wall. We always use stud finder, but in our case it's stud edge finder. See how it works. Place it flat against the wall, press the button and slowly move it. When the edge is found, you'll hear the sound and red indicator comes on. Once we found the edge, we're gonna mark it. Do all the same from the other side. The mark for the screw should be in between. To drill holes in architectural angle, we will need drill bits for the metal. We took 3 2-inch long screws and plastic anchors to secure screws in the wall. To give direction to our screw, we drill a thin hole inside the wooden stud. Now you can place the plastic anchors inside. Prepare the surface that you're gonna drill on so you have enough space under to drill through. As you can see, we've already drilled a small hole to have a good sturdy direction because next we're gonna drill the actual size, which is much bigger according to screws. Adding a little bit of water prevents metal from overheating, same as drill bit from breaking. Now when we have prepared direction, we're gonna drill the hole with the thicker drill bit. Drill bits from metal makes the whole work much easier, it's sharper and harder. Same way, we're gonna drill 2 more holes, 3 is enough. To hide screws inside the metal support and not to damage art, we're gonna use this countersink drill bit. You can go little by little to manage the right depth for a screw. Well, as you can see, we're not happy with the result, so we're gonna drill a little bit more. Perfect. Let's do 2 more. That's what we need. Now attach the angle to the wall at desired and previously marked height. Place the metal angle against the wall and simply secure it with prepared screws. You're gonna feel when the nail is inside the wooden stud. To secure our art from the top, we like to use the simple metal heavy-duty wall hooks, which we later repaint to match the color of the painting. These are really nice because we can move and adjust, it depends on the depth of the art piece. Also, it gives us opportunity to take on and off our projects if we need to. We placed our art piece against the wall and marked where it needs to be placed. To avoid scratches or any marks from pressure, we stick soft rubber window sill to the side, which we're gonna place our art on. Now we simply adjust the length and secure the hook with screws it comes with. This is the best and sturdiest way to hang our wall art, which is up to 100 pounds sometimes. The architectural angle is invisible, but here you can see how it looks like from the below. We hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.